you for sunshine. Thank you for rain.
Oh, I'm leaving. Jumping out of the bus.
Just mute Rebecca. Just real casual, like. Speaking of that,
Was Junior singing with you?
Yeah,
What is he there?
he left.
Oh, did he finish already?
I don't know. Yeah, we just harmonize randomly.
help
Oh
me.
no. Okay. Are they still there?
Yes,
Ooh,
they're at the
double-
weaponing match machine. Get 'em.
Oh, we got each other at the same time.
No, Rebecca.
Summer! Stop
What?
moving!
Oh, my bad.
The guy is following me.
Okay,
He's
hold
from
on.
Futurama.
Which one?
The guy with the orange hair.
Fry!
You like
I'm killing him.
Futurama?
Yes, I do. Ah!
Uh-oh, now it's the girl.
Leela, help her!
Help me, Summer. Help me.
Pick her up. Yeah! Okay, we're good.
Thanks, Summer.
Not me, I just killed her now. Oh!
Thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain.
No, thank you to me. I just killed.
Yeah, you did great, Odalis.
That's not a thank you, Summer. But
Thank you, Odalis. You did great. Now,
Thank you.
back to focusing. Dang it.
You need help?
Oh, I got
Can
him.
someone carry this animal?
Me.
Rebecca?
Not too much.
Dang it. Yeah.
Hey, Summer. Ow!
God dang. What is wrong with you?
I thought I was about to get my ankles broke.
I heard you scream
That
like
was
that.
awful. Oh. Why would you
Hey,
break it
not
without
my
me?
fault. Not my fault. You have your volume too high on your headphones.
Why would you break it without me? That is your fault.
Sorry, I wasn't thinking.
God. I think I gave you a med kit and everything.
Sorry, I wasn't paying attention.
I can tell. In the nicest way.
Junior's here.
There you go, Summer.
Thank you.
Oh wait, I needed some. Oh well.
Hello?
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 1, 2, 3.
No.
Thank you for sun.
Why you
No. Stop now.
Summer?
What were you saying?
Yeah, so do you notice that I uploaded it again yesterday?
Yeah.
I uploaded it again because I was planning to upload it and then delete the one that was broken.
You hurt yourself. Guys, get out of the storm!
Try to.
What?
These rocks are too big.
I don't know.
Wait, the mammoth?
Oh, oops, that's not it. There's a key here. Yes.
Oh, here it is. I'll try it
go.
out.
Where'd that go?
What the heck?
They're
It
real
shoots
slow.
It shoots one per thing?
It uses heavy.
How do I get over there? Oh
Where are
Look
you?
for bouncy flowers.
no! Slow it down, make it bouncy.
What's that? Oh,
Ah!
Oh, whoa.
the ray gun's here if you guys want
Right
it.
there, right there. And then
Yes.
fall on the floor.
Guard.
After that jump, just fall on the floor.
Well,
I'm
this
watching
gun's
Summer.
infinite.
Yeah.
Try it.
Silver.
What? I have to hold it?
It's alright. I did a thing before. It's all good. You know? Yeah, that. Anyway.
It does total damage.
Ow.
You like that bush grenade, Summer?
Sometimes. I don't know why I said it like that. No one asked me any questions tonight.
Are you gonna get the med miss instead of the bush bomb? Or you
Nah.
like the bush bomb more?
You're not carrying healing somewhere?
She just has one big pot. Man, no wonder she dies so fast.
Oh. Wow. That's a whole lot of smack from someone who's not on right now. That's crazy.
I'm about to get on.
Okay, but right now you're not, so.
Ooh,
still
someone shot me.
stands.
Oh, that is?
Yeah,
Touche.
they're down here.
Oh,
Touche.
What?
Come on, Evan, get a headshot. I want to see how much damage it does.
Hey.
ah. Hey, get back here!
Hey, let me use this laser on you, baby.
Die. Oh yeah, there's also some new perks.
What made you decide to play on your Switch this time, Summer?
I'm not at home, so the Switch is the only option.
Oh.
Yeah.
You're at work, on break.
No, I would never take my Switch to such a miserable place.
Yeah.
Horrible day.
Yeah, I don't like taking stuff that I like to places I don't like.
Normally, I don't take even like my earbuds or anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that either.
Yeah, that's gross. Home stuff or home stuff?
Enemies.
AI? Oh.
No,
Enemies.
the zipline's over here to the left.
Oh, I just saw someone's tail. Right here.
Right there, behind you! Right there, Adele.
I'm almost dead.
Spray, spray, spray.
Look out!
Ugh. Give me that crown, suck up.
Oh, no one else had a crown? Okay.
It was just two guys.
Oh,
Oh, sorry. You wanted
that
that?
MK's mine, because I killed that brute.
Ooh, it's Eric's good for.
Oh. Ooh,
Splashes this, I'll
someone
take
over
this.
here.
Whoa. Use the ray gun, Devin. Oh, on your left, Devin, on your left. On your left.
What?
The tree fell on you, Devin.
Die!
You're running away.
Hey! Get him!
Use the ray gun, Devin.
Look out! Behind us!
Salsa pants?
Well, one team left and they're fighting.
Yeah, they are.
Down there.
Just got him.
I'm reloading.
Got one.
What the heck?
The
They're
heck? I
shooting-
don't want you.
They were shooting like straight ahead, like close to the water.
We gotta go to the circle though.
Yeah, go to the circle.
I don't wanna die
Every once in a
because of
while.
this storm.
Every once in a while, look back to see if they're like running behind you guys. Oh, there they are. They're shooting.
Oh, they are?
Yeah.
Wait, what? There's
got
one person
one.
again. But they exploded, didn't they?
Oh, there's this another solo then.
Oh.
I'm down here.
Why
Oh,
storm's moving.
Get that one. I would have gotten that one and I would have used it till it heat up, overcharged, and then use the next one.
Oh yeah.
Just because it's the
See
last
anyone?
person.
I feel like they'll be anywhere.
Just don't separate, just in case if they're pro.
Oh yeah, you're right.
Nah,
We're gonna
they
pick you
can't
off one
beat
by
us
one.
up.
Oh,
I
oh there!
found him.
Right there.
What the heck?
I got him!
Yay! Bravo!
Your butt's in my
no.
view! Your butt's in my view! Butt's in my
Bravo!
face!
Teamwork!